Hello, students. You all are aware of the very magical superpower of Super Kalam, which is you can get your answers evaluated within few seconds. Here on Super Kalam, evaluate my answer button, click on it. You can get your GS paper answer evaluated, ethics answer, or even essay. But what I am going to show you today is yet another superpower that you get here. I'll just upload an answer sheet of a focus batch student who completed his assignment of essay writing. Super Kalam detects the question. I'll click on essay and it detects the marks also. I'll get the essay evaluated instantly. Super Kalam within few seconds starts evaluating your entire essay, starts suggesting what are the mistakes that you committed in the essay and how you could have improved it. Not just the pointing out of mistakes, but आप उसको कैसे सही कर सकते हो, कैसे better लिख सकते हो एग्जाम्पल्स के साथ. सुपर कलाम प्रोवाइड्स दैट ऑल्सो. कहाँ पर क्या सपोर्ट किया है, कहाँ किस तरीके का ट्रांजिशन करना था ऐसे में, मिस हो गया, कहाँ ज़्यादा फोकस था, कहाँ फोकस कम था, एवरीथिंग इज कवर्ड इन द ओवरऑल फीडबैक ऑल्सो. And you get your marks. Now, the best part here is now Super Kalam also is giving you the model answer. When you look at the essay paper of UPSC, getting the right model answer, how to divide your essay into parts, how to transition between paragraphs, because it is somewhere around 1000 to 1200 words that you have to write. It is not just 150 or 250 words. So it takes a lot of brainstorming to write an essay. That is why only two essays you have to write in the essay paper. क्यों? क्योंकि भाई एक ऐसे में ही इतनी ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग लग जाती है. So to get the right model answer is another challenge for the student. But here at Super Kalam, after your essay gets evaluated, you click on the Get Model Answer button. And instantly you will start getting your model answer. Now the best part here is Super Kalam gives you the essence of writing an essay. How to start your essay, how to incorporate various examples. For example, this essay was on a quotation given by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir. एंड इन द मॉडल आंसर यू हैड टू एक्सप्लेन. देखो ऐसे का टॉपिक बताती हूँ क्या था. द टॉपिक ऑफ द essay was excellence is a continuous process and not an accident. So the student had to grasp the idea of excellence, how you get or you arrive at the point of excellence by continuously improving yourself. So we had shining examples in history. Milkha Singh sir, we had Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir who actually gave this quotation. Then we have Swami Vivekananda ji. So all these examples have been used. Kapil Dev ji के भी example हैं यहाँ पर. All these examples have been used by Arunima Sinha. The story of Arunima Sinha, the first female amputee to climb Mount Everest. It was recently news also. All these shining examples have been used by Super Kalam in the model answer to help you understand from what perspective you had to look at the essay. And then how you can conclude. यहाँ पर ना सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम आती है. एवरी स्टूडेंट फेसेस दिस प्रॉब्लम. फर्स्ट इज द इवैल्यूएशन प्रॉब्लम विच इज सॉल्व्ड एट सुपर कलाम. द नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम वाज दैट नाउ व्हेन वी गेट आवर आंसर्स और essays evaluated, we need to refer to a model answer. How ideally we could have approached the essay. कैसे हमको ब्रेनस्टॉर्म करना था ऑन डिफरेंट एग्जाम्पल्स, डिफरेंट पर्सनैलिटीज, देयर लाइव्स एंड हाउ वी कैन इंटीग्रेट इट इनटू आवर essay. दैट प्रॉब्लम इज नाउ सॉल्व्ड एट सुपर कलाम. यहाँ आप देख सकते हो कोटेशन क्या स्टार्टिंग में लिखनी है या कंक्लूजन में लिखनी है, वो प्रॉब्लम भी ऐसे एस के आपकी सॉल्व करता है. यहाँ पर सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट दैट आई नोटिस्ड इन द मॉडल आंसर वाज हाउ टू ट्रांजिशन from one paragraph to another paragraph without giving the feel to the examiner that your essays are losing touch, or they are breaking from one paragraph to a different paragraph. क्योंकि कभी कभी क्या होता है, there are so many words that we have to incorporate. हम एक पैराग्राफ के बाद कॉन्टेक्स्ट स्विच कर देते हैं, तो वो जो इंटर रिलेटेडनेस होता है वो मिस हो जाता है. Through these model answers provided by Super Kalam, you will understand how to interconnect every paragraph. You will understand how to transition smoothly. You will understand how to use diverse perspective to write an essay. इससे आपकी ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग में हेल्प होगी. यू डोंट हैव टू लर्न द इंटायर मॉडल आंसर, बट इट विल हेल्प यू टू ब्रेनस्टॉर्म कि मैंने अरे मिल्खा सिंह सर का भी एग्जाम्पल डाल सकते थे, मैंने वो सोचा नहीं. अरे अरुणिमा सिंह मैम का एग्जाम्पल डाल सकते थे, वो सोचा नहीं, तो वो प्रॉब्लम भी खत्म हो गई. नाउ यू वांटेड कि भाई एग्जाम्पल भी दिखाओ इसका कुछ, है ना. मुझे पता है ये क्वेश्चन आ रहा होगा. Recently, I received an essay by a student, and I'll show you कि what were the mistakes that the student committed, which could have easily been solved अगर student बाद में brainstorming model answer के through कर ले. So this was a paper that I received by a student. I evaluated it. Now यहाँ पर आप देखोगे there was one problem that you saw throughout the essay. I noticed it very keenly. Why? Because in the entire essay, the student only talked about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam because he identified this particular quote is given by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. But in the model answer, if you have noticed, Super Kalam explained how this quote was important. So we had to take multiple examples to explain the relevance of this quote or the meaning of this quote. That was the essay all about. Milkha Singh, Arunima Sinha ma'am, Kapil Dev sir, so many examples Super Kalam used. Gandhi ji, Swami Vivekananda ji, and even Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir. And that's what makes your essay enriching. And that's what Super Kalam is trying to do. So I have a question for all of you. I have also given a target on our Telegram community to attempt any one essay from the two essays that I have given. I'll attach the link of the same in the comment section and description box. Or you can even attempt an essay on this topic. Excellence is a continuous process and not an accident. Try to attempt it. Okay, try to attempt this particular topic, get it evaluated by Super Kalam, and get your model answer. And then tell me in the comment section, did you find the model answer really enriching? नाउ यू कैन स्टार्ट योर ब्रेन स्टॉर्मिंग विद सुपर कलाम इटसेल्फ. ऐसे की प्रॉब्लम तो खत्म ही हो गई समझो, पर इसमें कंसिस्टेंसी की जरूरत है. ठीक है. So this was the information that I wanted to share with all of you. A surprise superpower for all of you by Super Kalam.